In the future world, networking products will be closer and closer to daily work and life, anytime and anywhere. Sticking to innovation, improvement, and customer satisfaction, EXW works to a goal to make lives easier and better. EXW has been devoted to this field for over 20 years and is now among the leading companies for networking systems and cabling structures. Focusing on two main products, patch cords and plugs. All kinds of specs and varieties are available. With strong engineering design capabilities, there are up-to-date new products every year. For our new generation products, 10G patch cords, EXW has worked with some big brand companies, with these mass-produced goods now well received in Europe. With a dedicated design team, creative work and in-house processes from drawing to molding, EXW can choose every step as precisely as possible. A complete production line, from stamping, injection and electric gold plating through to insertion, are finished in-house. Customers can benefit from the consistent high-quality control, quick turnaround time, and efficient production capacity. .10G, Cat 6 and Cat 5e patch cords are started here. With 100% transmission testing, the test report will be provided for each patch cord. EXW provides lifelong warranty products. EXW has been ISO 9001-2000 and ISO 14001 certified, with all products and packing material complying with RoHS requirements. Working together for customer satisfaction, EXW ensures stable, high-quality products, professional consultation, and tailor-made solutions. The lead networking companies from Europe and Southeast Asia are promoting patch cords from EXW. All staff work for one idea: pursue high-quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction. Team spirit and deep company culture are evidenced everywhere in EXW.